It's easy for you to have certainty when you have everything working for you. It's easy for you to invest money when you have money, but what's not easy is to have certainty when shit is hitting the fan. Yesterday, I spoke to one of my clients and he asked me about making decisions. How do you make decisions, Raul? How do you find that certainty to make a choice? I said, here's how you make decisions. 3 things. Number 1 is believing in what you're gonna do. You have to believe in the cause. You have to believe in your company. You have to believe in what you're going to accomplish. The second thing is you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe that you have the capacity to do it. And the third thing, you have to be committed. If you're not committed, you can't make a decision. Because it's easy to invest money when you have the money. Certainty comes from who you're becoming. Certainty doesn't come from who you are. If I was investing in companies, if I was investing in my business based on who I am right now, I will lose. I'm constantly investing based on where I'm going. I'm constantly investing based on who I'm becoming. Because that's the reason that most people fail. They're investing in who they are right now and they make mistakes. Every time that I invest, every time I double down is because I am creating something. I'm creating progress. I'm becoming something more. I'm increasing my capacity. So my certainty comes from who I'm becoming, not necessarily who I am right now. Because we're all a work in progress.